Your life is standing right at the edge of something extraordinary. A beautiful transformation sent by Allah. A blessing that promises peace, joy, and success in ways you never imagined. But before that gift unfolds, Allah begins to whisper to your heart. These signs don't arrive with noise or drama. They come quietly, softly, as gentle nudges to prepare your soul for what's coming. Why does Allah send these signs? Because His love for you is vast and tender. He wants your heart to be ready, open, trusting, and strong enough to carry the blessing. These moments help you grow, strengthen your iman, and teach you to hold tightly to hope, especially when life feels uncertain. When a woman begins to notice these subtle shifts, it's a powerful sign that Allah is preparing her for something beautiful, a transformation that will elevate her life in the most meaningful way. In this video, we're going to explore 7 deeply moving signs that show Allah is guiding you toward that divine breakthrough. Each one is like a love letter from your Creator. Whether it's a sudden sense of gratitude, a difficult test, or a pull toward change and reflection. These signs are filled with purpose, they carry wisdom, they carry mercy, and most of all, they carry love. By recognizing them, you'll begin to feel a sense of calm and clarity, knowing that Allah's plan is unfolding perfectly and that your heart is being prepared for something truly special just for you. 1. You feel calm during difficulty? There comes a time in life when everything feels heavy, your heart carries burdens no one sees. You may be dealing with pain, confusion, or waiting for something that hasn't arrived yet. It could be disappointment, health problems, financial stress, or even the feeling of being lost in your journey. But despite all this, something strange and beautiful happens. You start feeling a calmness deep inside you that you can't explain. You're not jumping with joy, but you're not falling apart either. You're simply calm. This peace in the middle of pain is not ordinary. It is not something the world can give you. This kind of calmness comes from only one source, Allah. It's a sign that Allah is near. When He wants to bless a woman with something big, He begins by calming her heart. He doesn't just throw blessings into a life filled with chaos. He brings stillness first, so you can receive that blessing with gratitude and clarity. When you feel calm during difficulty, that is Allah's way of letting you know that something is shifting in your life. Something big is preparing to arrive. This peace doesn't mean your problems are gone. It means your heart is being guided and protected. Even when things look broken around you, you're not panicking like before. You're learning to surrender to the will of Allah. You're starting to realize that your strength doesn't come from control, but from trust. And that trust builds a shelter in your soul. Many people wait for external changes before they feel better, but those who are truly blessed start feeling better inside even before their situation improves. That's the real miracle. When Allah is about to bless you, He will make sure you are mentally, emotionally, and spiritually ready to handle it. He will clean your heart from fear, anger, doubt, and sadness. He will replace it with serenity, hope, and a quiet kind of strength. 2. You start becoming closer to Allah. When Allah is preparing to bless a woman with something truly special, a powerful change happens inside her heart. One of the most beautiful signs is that she begins to feel closer to Allah than ever before. It's not just about performing religious duties because she has